Just the fingertips. Just your fingertips.
No.
Right. Oh, yeah! Good job, Hunter! Come here, let's do another one. Okay, hold it. Just the fingertips. Pull it back.
Yeah.
Oh, missed the target.
Like this, Daddy.
You gotta
Moxie,
aim
come
it.
here.
Just your fingertips. Pull it back. No! You're gonna hit it this time, Hunter.
This one.
Alright, here, hold it.
Moxie, come here.
No! Last time.
This is just the leg.
Just your fingertips. Not your whole hand. Just your fingertips. Nope, not your whole hand. Just your fingertips, Hunter. Yeah!
Good job.